Yeah, so as the Son of God, love Yahweh, I was definitely in paradise before the earth was created. I spent the entire course of planet Earth as the Son of God, love Yahweh. The people received salvation about 500 years ago on Venus in heaven, and I served there also. And I created this planet, and I've been still serving in God's kingdom. So I have at least 3 planets that I've served in my name, love Yahweh. 3 planets that I've been serving in God's kingdom, sent by the one and only Creator to God as the Son of God. And I've been serving on 3 planets. On the Alpha Male Syndrome, you got some that say that they don't honor me. I didn't need that. With the Alpha Male Syndrome, you got some that say that the Son of God is not God to them. You're definitely right, I'm not your God. Like, this is not the earth either. And you wasn't on the earth with me. But then when y'all made it about Jesus Christ, like, technically nobody was Jesus Christ. That's why the Bible tells you Jesus said this and Jesus replied this, because y'all weren't on the earth with us. So nobody was that. I was Jesus the Christ. And then when y'all called me Satan, damn! Ooh-wee! Damn! Ism, schism. Love Yahweh. Jesus the Christ. Logo circle 7. Yahweh Elohim. Damn! Huh? 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 No, I've just been in the name love Yahweh longer than all of y'all have even known my name. Huh? Huh? And you call it the devil because the person has existed on 3 planets longer than any one of y'all gods that y'all know today? And you say that that's the devil? Well, if that's what the devil is, then all y'all should be devils, right? And then you can at least exist for like, I got about 15,000 years with that. I was already doing something before that.